こんにちは。Let's enjoy Hiragana Karuta game number 2. Let's start with each line. は、ひ、ふ、へ、ほ. If you haven't learned H-line Hiragana letters yet, the H-line video of Nihongo Club will show you the tricks and games to remember them very quickly. Please find the letter within 3 seconds. Here we go. へ、へ、ふ、ふ、は、は、ほ、ほ、ひ、ひ、
すごいすごい
Let's move to M line. ま、み、む、め、も. If you haven't learned M line Hiragana letters yet, the M line video of Nihongo Club will show you tricks and games to remember them in the fastest way. み、み、ま、ま、も、も、む、む、め、め、
うわ
Let's move to Y line. や、ゆ、よ. If you haven't learned Hiragana Y line yet, Y line video of Nihongo Club will show you the tricks and games to remember them in a second. ゆ、ゆ、よ、よ、や、や、
すごいすごい
Next one is R line. ら、り、る、れ、ろ. If you haven't learned Hiragana R line yet, R line video of Nihongo Club will show you the tricks and games to remember them in a second. ら、ら、れ、れ、ろ、ろ、る、る、り、り、
すごいすごい
That last 3 letters. わ、お or wo, n. If you haven't learned the last 3 hiragana letters on the Hiragana chart yet, the 3 letters video of Nihongo Club will show you the tricks and games to remember them in a second. わ、わ、 wo, wo. Mm, mm.
頑張ったね。
I hope you could enjoy the game and mastered hiragana letters. またね